entering the room of lifestyle. So this is the shower room, and the toilet, comfort room, and here on this side you can see the range hood. May induction oven. Here, kompleto na cabinets, the sink, storage, tapos may ref, oven, wall cabinet. Here, meron pa talagang compartment. Madami siya mapaglagyan. Okay, so this is it. So this will be parang closet siya, where you can put on your clothes. Okay, so that is the long table for studying or whatever job you may have. And this would be the resting place. May sarili din silang mga compartments. No, how cute. Composed with four working individuals or 4 students. Wow, this is a good investment.